Once fitted with extension pads, the clamshell can be slipped over the pipe or lifted into place with a crane. Use the split frame or full assembly based on your application. Once the clamshell is on the pipe, tighten the pads evenly with the 10mm T-handle. Use a square to confirm the machine is straight on the pipe. If needed, loosen the extension pads or adjust with a dead blow hammer. Use a ruler to verify the machine is evenly spaced around the pipe, ensuring a uniform cut or bevel. Using the 6mm T-handle, affix the tripper to the ring. Using the same T-handle, install the tool slide on each side of the machine. Next, install the servo, electric, pneumatic, or hydraulic motor. Tighten the bolts using the provided cutoff Allen wrench. If using a servo motor, loosen the side caps before installation. Connect the cables to the motor and securely tighten them. Using application-appropriate tooling, install it into the tool slides. Tighten the top and side bolts to secure. Repeat this process for both sides. For servo electric motors, open the power unit and connect the motor and remote pendant cables to the control box. Lastly, plug the unit into the appropriate power source. Ensure the pendant e-stop is reset and the servo box is set to 0 before starting. Press the power button to power on the machine. Once powered on, ensure the tripper is disengaged, then use the pendant dial to set the desired speed. Flip the ears on the tripper to engage it with the tool slides and begin cutting. For a clean finish, disengage the tripper by flipping the ears or knobs after the cut or bevel, and allow the tool slides to rotate 2 to 3 additional times.